Scenario 1. Mountain hiking. Mountain hiking has become my passion. There's a thrill in the challenging trails and a sense of peace at the summit. It's an adventure that tests my strength and nurtures my spirit. Every hike leaves me with memorable moments and breathtaking views. Scenario 2. A trip to Rome. Last summer, I visited Rome. The city was steeped in history and art at every corner. I marveled at the Colosseum, roamed around the Vatican City, and tasted authentic Italian pizza. The trip was a memorable blend of culture, history, and cuisine. Scenario 3. The concert. I went to a Coldplay concert last weekend. The energy was electric. The band played all my favorite songs. Surrounded by fans, under the glittering stage lights, I lost myself in the music. Scenario 4. New apartment. Moving into my new apartment was thrilling. Nestled in the city center, it was small but cozy. I enjoyed decorating it with vintage furniture and personal keepsakes. It felt like a haven amidst the city's hustle. Scenario 5. First marathon. Completing my first marathon was an adrenaline rush. Months of training led to that moment. I felt both exhausted and exhilarated as I crossed the finish line, cheered on by the crowd. Scenario 6. My niece. My niece, Ella, is a bundle of energy. She's always curious, asking endless questions about the world. She loves my homemade chocolate cookies and our storytelling sessions. Her laughter fills my home with joy. Scenario 7. Road trip. My friends and I embarked on a road trip across the West Coast. We marveled at stunning landscapes, experienced diverse cultures, and made countless memories. It was a journey of self-discovery and camaraderie. Scenario 8. Cooking class. I recently joined a French cooking class. It's been a delightful and delicious adventure. From mastering the art of baking croissants to making the perfect coco vin, I'm discovering the joy of cooking. Scenario 9. Workout routine. My daily workout routine keeps me energized. I start with yoga, followed by some cardio. Every drop of sweat makes me feel stronger and healthier. It's a perfect blend of effort and relaxation. Scenario 10. Book club. Every month, I attend a book club meeting. We discuss everything from classic literature to contemporary novels. The lively debates and diverse perspectives make each meeting an enriching experience. Scenario 11. First day at university. My first day at university was a whirlwind of emotions. I was awestruck by the grand campus, intrigued by my professors, and excited to meet new people. It marked the beginning of a transformative journey. Scenario 12. Photography hobby. My interest in photography has taken me to incredible places. Whether capturing a sunset or a candid smile, each click is a cherished memory. It's a hobby that's made me more observant and appreciative of my surroundings. Scenario 13. Camping adventure. Last spring, I went camping in the mountains. It was an adventure filled with hiking trails, bonfire stories, and stargazing. Away from the city's noise, I found a serene connection with nature. Scenario 14. Local cafe. There's a quaint cafe near my house. With its rustic decor, aromatic coffee, and eclectic clientele, it's my favorite place to unwind or work on my novel. Scenario 15. Public speaking. Public speaking was always a challenge for me. But joining a local Toastmasters club changed that. Each speech I deliver boosts my confidence, helping me articulate my thoughts better. Scenario 16. Vintage car collection. My vintage car collection is my pride and joy. Each model, with its unique design and history, tells a story. The process of restoration and maintenance has taught me patience and perseverance. Scenario 17. Volunteering experience. Volunteering at the local shelter has been fulfilling. Seeing the resilient spirit of those I help has been humbling. It's taught me to appreciate the smaller joys of life. Scenario 18. Meditation practice. My daily meditation practice brings clarity and calmness. In the quiet moments, I find peace and a sense of balance. It's become an essential part of my self-care routine. Scenario 19. Home garden. My home garden is a sanctuary. The colorful flowers, the rustling leaves, and the buzzing bees bring life to my backyard. Tending to it has been a therapeutic and rewarding pastime. Scenario 20. Pottery class. I've recently started a pottery class. It's a dance between my hands and the clay. Each piece I create is a testament to patience and precision. I find the whole process incredibly calming and satisfying. Scenario 21. Coffee brewing. I've taken up the art of coffee brewing. Each morning, I grind the beans, boil the water, and carefully pour it over. The aroma fills my kitchen, and the rich taste awakens my senses. It's a simple ritual that brings immense pleasure. Scenario 22. Jazz club. There's a small jazz club in my city that I frequently visit. The dim lights, the smooth melodies, the clink of glasses, it's a nostalgic haven. The music transports me to a different era, letting me lose myself in the rhythms.
Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you in next video. Bye.